Hello traders, welcome to this video on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris Forsick from Elite Currency, and we're going to take a look what to expect in the month of October. Let's start with the euro dollar. This is the 1 hour time frame, and I'm starting on this time frame specifically because of the strong upside. And couldn't that indicate some type of larger reversal? Of course, we're in a huge downtrend. We can quickly take a look at the weekly chart just to see that, and you can see how extensive and fast this euro dollar has fallen over the last year or so, 1.5 years, week after week almost. It's been very bearish. Now, last week was very bullish, as you can see. Overall, the monthly candle ended up with a wick at the bottom, but still was bearish. So there's no signs on higher time frames that the trend is over necessarily. But on lower time frames, I'm still curious to see on that 1 hour chart what is going to happen in this environment, because I'll explain. If this is a 1-2 wave, this cannot be a wave 3-4 because wave 4 goes into the territory of wave 1. So that means that if this is wave 1-2, this would have to be a wave 1-2 as well, something like that. And this is a wave 3, and this could be a wave 4, and up we go for wave 5 of wave 3. This is the bullish version. So if this version would be true, we need to put the fib from this bottom to this top. All right? And you can see that the shallow Fibonacci levels are very important for wave 4. Typically, the 38.2 fib is respected, maybe sometimes the 23.6 fib, and maybe the 50, but usually not more. Okay, it could happen, but typically doesn't. It should not enter the territory of wave 1, which is here, or part of the wave, actually maybe here, right? So let's take away this. This is the wave 1. So if price were to break below 98.54, 98.50, that would indicate that this is not a bullish version and that we're not looking at a bigger reversal, and we're looking probably at some type of correction. This upside is probably some type of correction. In that case, we might be looking at a simple ABC pattern like this, and that ABC could be part of a larger, for instance, W, and we could see a wave X and a wave Y. Within the green X, there could be a blue ABC down to the bottom or close to the bottom, and then we could see maybe again a pattern up within the wave Y, for instance. That WXY green that you see here could be part of a larger wave 4 of some type on a higher time frame. We'll take a look at that soon. So that's very interesting to see how price, in my view, will respond to this zone here, and whether we'll get a bounce or we're going to get a break. We could also, even if we get a bounce, we could still see a break. Of course, it depends how it bounces. So that's going to be very important to see if we get a bounce. Not only how much does it move up, but the correction after that, does it respect this bottom, and then does it make a continuation higher? Does it break this